Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to open WhatsApp account on PC without phone and is it possible? So there are tons of ways on how to download WhatsApp on your PC. You can go to Google web browser and then type download WhatsApp and you can download it right away if you're using Mac, iOS or Windows. So you can just simply tap this download button right here. Also, you can go to Microsoft Store and then look for WhatsApp. So all you have to do is go and open and then look for the search bar and then type WhatsApp and you will see a get button right here. Tap that one. So that's how easy it is. But when it comes to how to easily log in to your WhatsApp, you can just simply go to any web browser and then type WhatsApp web link. And then here you will see this login option. So you can either log in using your QR code or your phone number. So here's the thing. You can't open your WhatsApp account without your phone number. So it's either if you want to open your WhatsApp account using your phone number, yes, possible. Or if you want to open your WhatsApp account using your QR code number on your computer, yes, it's possible. So if your camera is not functioning well or if your QR code is not working well, then you can log in using your phone number. However, if you cannot also receive a code at the moment, you can log in by just scanning the QR code. But when we see that logging in or WhatsApp signing account without the phone, it's kind of impossible. So as you can see, if you log in using your phone, all you have to do is to enter this code right here and then you will be logged in automatically. Or you can just simply point your camera to your QR code so that you can easily log in your WhatsApp account here on your desktop or computer. So this is not to mislead you, but this is just to show you that it's impossible to log in by just using your QR code account or your phone number, but without your phone, it's kind of possible to log into your WhatsApp account. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.